and welcome to another macrocosm video. You may have heard that a massive black hole lurks at the Milky Way's heart. The supermassive black hole at the center of our galaxy, Sagittarius A*, was recently depicted for the first time by a group of astronomers. It is the first visible confirmation that a black hole exists there. The image was obtained by a multidisciplinary group of researchers at the Event Horizon Telescope (EHT) collaboration. The EHT is a collection of telescopes located in France, Spain, Greenland, Chile, Mexico, the South Pole, the United States, Arizona and Hawaii, and Chile. They function as a giant telescope that can see far down into faraway black holes and is the size of the Earth when combined. The Messier 87 galaxy, located more than 53 million light-years from Earth, provided the first photograph they ever obtained of a black hole, which was published in 2019. Given that Sagittarius A* is 4 million times as enormous as our Sun, or a 4 followed by 6 zeros, it is deserving of the moniker huge. The size and mass of it are still 1 million times less and less than M87. Because of this, even though SCAR is significantly closer to us than M87, capturing the picture was much more difficult, 27,000 light-years from Earth. The scientists employed a collection of supercomputers to compile and analyze the data they obtained in order to obtain the final image, because the black hole rotates quite quickly and the photographs were dissimilar from one another. With the use of photos like these, not only do we improve technologically, but we also gain a better knowledge of how gravity functions in hostile situations like black holes. It undoubtedly advances our understanding of the universe. Black holes are space objects whose gravity is so intense that not even light can escape from them. As a result, they neither emit nor receive light. The incandescent gas encircles the black hole, which is located directly in the middle of the reddish-orange-yellow ring that can be seen in the photograph. Amazing fact. To create the image, a group of 300 academics from 80 different institutions worked for 5 years. It was a significant effort, no doubt. And that's all for today. Hope you liked this video. Stay connected to get more knowledge about the space. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.